Welcome back to the PMP Certification Prep Training course. Project Quality Management Knowledge Area. The quality image is a simple and clear breakdown of quality management processes. Quality design, which focuses on plan quality management and identifying quality requirements and standards upfront. Quality assurance, which focuses on managing quality and applying processes to ensure quality standards are being followed. Quality control, which focuses on monitor, record, and control quality. That includes inspect, measure, and verify outputs meet quality requirements. Quality contracts, which focuses on procure quality and ensures vendors and external suppliers meet your project's quality standards. 3 key quality concepts. Quality metrics focuses specifically on measurements including performance, customer satisfaction, and compliance. It tracks how well the project meets quality goals. Quality focuses on the degree to which a product or service satisfies the stated or implied needs. For tolerance, it resembles the permissible range of variation in a quality requirement like acceptable error rates. Each quality section is visually supported with diagrams. Quality impact on growth and performance icons. Quality metrics shown in circular chart of areas impacted. Tolerance through limits diagram showing errors and expectations. Project quality management ensures that a project's deliverables meet the agreed upon requirements and stakeholder expectations. It is structured around 3 core processes: plan quality management, manage quality, and control quality. Planning defines quality standards, managing drives continuous improvement during execution, and controlling focuses on monitoring, recording, and verifying results. Critical components such as quality metrics, performance assessments, and tolerance limits ensure that both product quality and process efficiency are systematically achieved and maintained. Quality is the degree to which a set of characteristics fulfills requirements, while grade refers to the design or specification level of a product or service. High quality can exist at any grade, and both concepts must be deliberately managed to ensure project success. Robust quality management demands proactive planning, rigorous oversight, and decisive corrective action to align deliverables with expectations and drive stakeholder satisfaction. Effective quality management in projects demands a disciplined cycle of planning, assurance, and control. Planning quality defines the standards and methods required to meet customer expectations. Assuring quality focuses on auditing and evaluating performance for compliance, and controlling quality rigorously monitors outputs to identify and eliminate defects. All 3 elements are interconnected, forming a continuous loop that reinforces process improvements and drives excellence. Without clear planning, rigorous assurance, and strict control, quality efforts collapse into reactive firefighting. Successful project leaders proactively embed quality at every step, knowing that quality must be built in, not inspected in. Excellence is intentional, systematic, and relentlessly pursued. Standards and regulations are non-negotiable pillars in quality management. A standard provides an agreed-upon set of guidelines, while regulations carry the force of law or formal obligation. De facto regulations emerge from widespread industry practices, while de jure regulations are codified by authoritative bodies. Mastery over both forms is essential, ignorance is not an excuse, and compliance is not optional. The ISO 9000 series stands as the global benchmark for quality management systems, demanding a culture of continuous improvement and customer focus. Organizations that internalize these frameworks don't just survive, they dominate. Excellence is a deliberate outcome of disciplined adherence to standards, aggressive alignment with regulations, and an uncompromising commitment to quality at every level. Quality management is not a passive checkbox exercise. It is an active, relentless discipline that demands intentional planning, rigorous management, and unyielding control. We start by planning quality with precision, embedding excellence into our processes before a single task begins. We then manage quality dynamically, adjusting and refining practices in real time to stay ahead of failure. Finally, we control quality with rigorous inspections and decisive corrective actions, refusing to let defects slip through the cracks. This process is not linear, it is a powerful, continuous cycle that drives superior outcomes. Organizations that treat quality as an afterthought will always trail behind. Those who embed quality into the DNA of every action, from planning to assurance to control, will lead their industries. Excellence is not accidental, it is architected through deliberate, disciplined quality management. The Quality Management Plan is a critical document that outlines how an organization's quality policies will be implemented within a project. It sets the structure for ensuring products, deliverables, and processes meet defined quality standards and customer expectations. Key elements typically included in a QMP. Quality objectives. What quality goals the project must achieve. Roles and responsibilities. Who is responsible for quality assurance, quality control, and continuous improvement? Quality assurance activities. Methods to ensure processes are followed correctly like audits and peer reviews. Quality control measures. Techniques for verifying that outputs meet requirements like inspections and testing. Standards and metrics. What benchmarks and measurements are used to define quality? Continuous improvement plan. How lessons learned and feedback loops will drive ongoing enhancements. A strong QMP not only safeguards project outcomes but also promotes a culture of excellence and accountability across the project team. Planning quality isn't just about drafting a document, it's about laying the foundation for project success. We start by gathering critical inputs, our project charter, management plans, and organizational knowledge. Then, using expert judgment, data analysis, and powerful techniques like benchmarking and flowcharting, we build a robust quality strategy. Every choice we make is backed by rigorous cost-benefit analysis, logical modeling, and real-world benchmarking. The output is more than paperwork, it's a living, breathing guide to delivering excellence. We develop a quality management plan, define clear metrics, and proactively update risk and stakeholder strategies. Planning for quality is like designing a blueprint for a skyscraper. Without it, everything else will crumble. With it, we create projects that are not only successful but legendary. Planning for quality is like equipping a ship before setting sail. If you miss a single detail, the entire voyage could be at risk. We start by gathering key project inputs like the scope baseline, stakeholder register, and cost and schedule baselines. From there, we apply proven tools like cost-benefit analysis, control charts, and benchmarking to design a tailored, effective quality plan. Every tool sharpens our focus on delivering value, reducing risks, and ensuring we meet, or even exceed, stakeholder expectations. The results are powerful: a fully developed quality management plan, clear quality metrics, actionable checklists, and a process improvement plan that keeps the project evolving in the right direction. Quality planning isn't a one-time event, it's a mindset that drives excellence across the project lifecycle. It's how good projects become great ones. Quality isn't just about meeting standards, it's about smart decisions that minimize costs and maximize value. We look at both the cost of conformance, like prevention and appraisal costs, and the cost of non-conformance, the expensive internal and external failures. Concepts like gold plating remind us that adding unnecessary extras doesn't equal better quality. Tools like marginal analysis and continuous improvement practices like Kaizen help us strike the perfect balance between cost, quality, and customer satisfaction. By following international standards like ISO 9000, we anchor our projects in globally recognized best practices. Every decision we make in quality management is an investment, either in doing things right the first time or paying the price to fix it later. And smart teams know exactly which side they want to be on. Once we have our quality plan in place, it's time to assure and control it. Quality assurance is all about auditing processes and applying preventive actions to ensure everything aligns with our standards. Techniques like process analysis, quality audits, and cause and effect diagrams help us stay proactive and detect issues before they become real problems. Meanwhile, Perform quality control focuses on inspecting deliverables to find and correct defects. We use tools like inspection, statistical sampling, control charts, and histograms to verify outcomes and ensure the project stays on track. Together, these processes keep quality at the heart of everything we deliver. Thank you for your unwavering commitment to excellence and your dedication to mastering the profession. We wish you resounding success on your path to certification.